This parrot's sassier than your ex. You won't stop laughing.
Okay, I regret all my life choices. I saw my ancestors.
Grandma, how old are you?
I think I'm 93.
You're 93. And you're still alive, Grandma?
Oh goodness. Look, yummy spinach juice.
Oh, it smells like meat. Don't eat it. It's poison. You will die. Eat a seed. Be normal. Call 911. I want to report a murder. It's about to happen right now.
Oh, stop being dramatic.
Dramatic? The psychopath just looked at me like I'm a rotisserie chicken. Call the police. Call the FBI.
Hey, what is wrong? Why are you acting so sad?
They didn't follow us.
You are upset over that.
Upset? I am destroyed. I gave them comedy. I gave them love. I gave them an emotional breakdown, and they still didn't follow.
Like and subscribe.